10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. I wanna bump my head. Oh, wait. Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh man, I can't believe I was singing that song whenever I was recording. Hey guys, it's me, Dylan. And, yeah. I'm gonna try to sell my Rubik's Cube, so just see if it pops, you know. Oh man. All of it fell off. Oh man. Ugh. Okay. The first step is find this piece. Alright, now get pieces like this with white, orange, white, red, white, blue, white, green. So first, what you'll be doing, get this one, and you see these two slots? Slide it in there. And now, do the same for all the others. White and blue, slide in. White and orange, slide in. White and red, slide in. Alright, so now put it down like that, so it will stay stable. Now find all the corner pieces with the color white on it. So like this one and this one, yeah, this one, and then this one. So, and a little secret, it's not a lot of work. You just gotta drop them down and they'll drop. You gotta make sure they're matching colors though. And it has white. And then after you're done with those things, you will have your solved white side. And just make sure white is facing down. The white color is facing down. And then beautiful. Alright, next just find the color scheme. That. No, not that. Like this. Like this. And that. Okay. Now just put them on. Alright, so this is where it can get a little tricky, so I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so now you can see me in my mouth. Get this one, whatever one you want. And so now, you have to have the matching colors. So there's blue and orange, right? The blue and orange. You got to put it, you got to slide it in, so. Push it on. And then you have to push it on like that. And then do the same with all the others. It's really easy actually, though. Alright, and so now get 3 yellow color edges. I prefer the yellow and green, yellow and orange, yellow and red. Those are my prefers, but whatever you prefer. Alright, so here's the hard part. Find your match with the yellow and the red. you got the yellow and the red. Now you gotta really just jam it in there. So you have this circle in between. You see that circle? This circle right here. So now you gotta just jam it in that circle. And then like that, and then just keep doing that, like yellow and orange, and then yellow and green. Okay, so now you have that. So now you gotta have 2 corner pieces, so they would look like this if you did that. Yellow, orange, and green, and yellow, red, and green. So now just smush them in there. Make sure yellow is facing on the top, and then you'll get everything right. There we go. Okay, so now you have 3 left. You should have 3 pieces. Put 1 corner piece in. I prefer the yellow, blue, and orange. So it's in this. All you have to do is slide it in. That last. And then now put the edge in. So this is where it gets hard. You got to jam it in, just like those other edges. It might be hard too, but then you get it. All right, and so now you have your last piece. You just got to jam it in there. And then there you go. You don't have to complain about your Rubik's Cube not being solved. You don't have to anymore. Because there is your solution. Yeah. So, next time, if I can get a view of some sort, I will try to get you the cube and the cube pattern, which I'll show you what it looks like. And you guys might be like, okay, I'm really looking forward to that. So it's just a sneak peek of what our next video is, cubing turning. We'll be talking about this pattern. Yeah. It looks easy, but it's hard. You might have to watch the video a few times, get a sheet of paper, write down all the steps, and you will learn the pattern and everything. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.